Hey guys, it's Princess Livia, and I'm trying not to burn down my house. Today, I saw on Adventure Time there's this thing called bacon pancakes, and I was thinking that could be good because there's like the McGriddle and stuff. So I'm gonna try to make bacon pancakes. So first, obviously, I should probably clear off the countertop first. So first, you gotta kind of clear off your counter space. That's stupid now. Okay, and then fry your bacon, nice and crispy. So, when we're done frying the bacon, we're gonna get to the pancake part. Be careful with the bacon. It likes to sizzle and it likes to pop. Alright, so I have this fan on so the smoke doesn't go into the smoke alarms and set it off. I'm just gonna let it sizzle for a second. But one thing I have learned, do not leave food cooking unattended. So we're just gonna do bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes. Take a bacon and put it in a pancake. Bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes. Or at least try. A good view of what am I doing. Getting crispy around the edges, but it's still practically oinky, so. See, it's still pink. It needs to be a nice crispy brown color. And to make it more incorporate with a pancake shape, I'm gonna cut them up. I know, so unoriginal to the original, but the original is a cartoon. I've done this once before and it turned into a big pile of pancake bacon mush. We don't like pancake bacon mush. We want bacon pancakes. And the reason why I thought this would be a good idea is because, the bacon McGriddle at McDonald's is a thing. The McGriddle, it's like pancake sandwich with bacon in the middle. And it has like maple syrup flavoring in the pancake part, so we're doing that. A good way to get these sizzling is to have it like all on one side. Have all the greases to cook it up, but that doesn't really work all the time. So let's just like, I should use less strips of bacon. I had to use a whole pack. You know, the need for a whole pack of bacon all cooked at once is just a thing that everyone needs. Is that true? I don't know. You know what? You decide. Tell me in the comments. Is everyone? Well, unless you're vegetarian or vegan. But it is bacon. Everything everyone needs to at least try once in their lifetime. Bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes. Probably copyrighted. I'm gonna stop. I once saw a video of a bird going bacon pancake, bacon pancake, pancake, bacon pancake, pancake, bacon pancake. My mom's telling me to stop talking. Okay. I decided it would cook faster if I just left it here for a minute. And started a timer to make sure like I know when to flip it. So yeah. Ooh, that's working much better and much faster. Look. Crispy. Okay. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Yeah. Okay. I know we like our bacon crispy. All of it's turned over, so let's let it cook a minute. Bacon is done, but it's not quite crispy yet, so let's let it get a little bit more crispy. So it's now more cooked and as crispy as I would like it. So turn this off. Take it off the heat, and let's not set off the fire alarms. Don't let the fan do its work. So I'm gonna go get a bowl and we're gonna start mixing up our pancake mix. Welcome to my creepy basement where I am going to grab the pancake mix I bought. And we're gonna mix it up. Dang, and I need to get another frying pan. So, hold on. Follow the instructions. 1 cup of mix is 1/3 cup of water. So, let's follow the instructions correctly. So, we've got a mix of measuring cups here. You gotta get the right measurements. So, 1 cup of mix. It also has an option for a full box. This is a pretty small box, not gonna lie. 1 cup of mix. I got the good stuff, like the brand name stuff, the Hungry Jack stuff. I got it from, guess what? The Dollar Tree. This is 1 cup, right? Yeah, it's 1 cup. Gotta fill the whole cup with powder, you know? Cooking gets kind of messy. I really shouldn't be, you know, as soon as it gets, it is the messy part. What am I talking about? I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay. Put it out a little bit. Okay, yeah, there we go. I am making a mess, but you know what? Cooking is messy. especially when you don't know what you're doing, but this is like a second attempt at it. And I know what I did wrong that time, so. 1/4 cup. Did it say 1/4 cup? 3/4 cup. Okay, so I could use this 3 times because it's 1/4. So let me go get some water. One, 2, 3. I like to mix it with a fork. Yeah, that's pancake consistency. Now, I'm only making enough for one person because my mother's like, I don't want no bacon pancakes. I'm going to make her regret saying that by tasting it and telling you what I honestly think if you should make it or not. If I don't think you should make it, I'm probably not going to post this, but. Okay. Pancake batter is butter. Yeah. So I just put pancake on, and I think it's cooking already. So let's quickly add our little bacon bits. Push the bacon in there. I'm not very good at making pancakes, you guys. But you know what? It's for the content. Okay, let's see. Cross your fingers, guys. God give me patience. God give me strength. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Already feeling. Okay. Okay, let it cook just a little bit more. Just a teensy bit more. Pancakes take patience. Lord, God, give me patience right now. Add a little bit more bacon because that's just yummy. Crushing up the bacon just a little bit more. Nope, not yet. Okay. So, oh, I think it's ready to flip, guys. Okay, grab another spatula to help me out here. Flip! Woo! Yes! I'm so happy. Ow! Sorry, the feeling of satisfaction just hit me like a bus. Turn down the lights, Ava. Please. Please. Thank you. That's how God shows that He is here. He is with me. Okay. You celebrate with me. I think it's done. Okay, let's see if it's a little raw on the underside. Let's cook it on the other side just a little bit more. It's gonna be a broken pancake. Turn down the lights, Abba. Come on, Abba, please. Thank you. Okay. He does that a lot. He's just celebrating with me. Yay. Okay. Let's get our plate ready. We're gonna make bacon pancakes. There's one for my mom. sodium. I got the low sodium bacon because my mom is on a low sodium diet because the doctor said so. The doctor's such a calorie. Okay. Let's get good. Okay. See. Haha! Ooh, it's beautiful. Okay. Hold on. Just my other video pancake. Need to. And pancake batter on a pan. This one's gonna be a smaller one for my mom because I know she's not gonna eat a ginormous bacon pancake. Because I know she'll go crazy. I don't think she really thinks that bacon pancake would taste good. So, turn down the lights, Abba. Please. Thank you. So yeah, Abba is God in a different language, or God is Father in a different language. So I call God Abba. Okay, let's do that other spatula to help us out here. Woo! They're not perfectly round, but they're still gonna taste pretty freaking delicious. I can already tell. I can already smell it. Literally. Okay. I think I need more pancake batter, so I'm gonna mix that up after I get this bacon pancake fried. Okay, they're gonna be really broken up, but it's because I've never really made perfect pancakes ever in my life, like ever. Check the middle. Oh. The middle is perfectly cut. Let's see. Okay, this one's really broken. It's not as beautiful as the other one. Okay. Still bacon, still pancake, bacon pancake. Together is a beautiful thing. Okay. Let's make some more pancake batter, shall we? The answer is yes. Mix and mix and mix. Let's mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. Now, a thing about being a girl with long hair is you gotta tie your hair up and back to make sure your hairs don't go into the food. Because one time I was eating like some candy, some Japanese candy, and someone wasn't wearing a hairnet because I found a giant hair rolled up in one of the candies. Oh, it was disgusting. Some Japanese lady dropped her hair in my Japanese candy that was imported to me. So mean. But she probably dropped it on accident, but still. Okay. Mix it till smooth. There we go. And oh no. Okay, I'm making a mess. Okay. Get that. Oh, dang it. Okay. Well, a thing with cooking is you gotta clean up after yourself. That's a big oopsie that I didn't do last time, and I got in trouble with my mom because I live with my mom because financially so once it starts cooking, on one side we're gonna add the bacon. Let's add bacon bits. Making sure it's recording. Recording. Yes, it is. Okay. It does. It just helps me maneuver it better, I think. Oh, first I need to add more bacon. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I'm forgetting that bacon pancakes have a lot of bacon in them. I really don't want it to burn, so let's quickly flip a dooney. Woo! Yes! Perfect flip. I am burning, I don't know, I'm not burning the pancake itself, I'm not burning down the house either, there's no fire yet. Okay. Cook. Bacon pancake stack. We have only enough bacon for one more tiny little pancake. So let's do one more tiny little pancake. And we'll try it and ask the video. This one's not going to have as much bacon in it. Ready to flip. So what I'm going to do now is flip it over. Woo! And I'm going to taste it. And I'm going to see what we think. It's gonna taste good. Oh, that much. Yeah. Who's the cooking boss? I don't know until I taste it. Woo! Okay. Hey, Mom! Got moss out of it. Got a beautiful bacon pancake stack. And I burn the house down. Oh! My dad's gonna smell this and come in like, oh, you burned down the house. Not trying to, I'm succeeding. This, I'm gonna cool it down. Let's try it. Thumbnail. Okay, got it. Okay. Let me just close this curtain. Hey, Mom.
Are you done burning down my kitchen?
Yes, and I made bacon pancakes.
Oh, that's good.
You want to try it?
No, thank you.
No, for the viewers. You're not feeling good? Okay. Can you go get me the maple syrup?
I'm just like really stressed out about today. So.
Oh, yeah. It's a stressful day today for my mom. We're not going to get into it. Okay, I think the maple syrup is down here. Welcome to my creepy cellar again. Really old house. That's why it's creepy cellar. But our pancakes without freaking maple syrup. Where is the maple syrup? Maple syrup, come on. I know we have food storage full of this stuff, and I don't know. Mom! Can you please help me find a maple syrup?
No, I can't help you find a maple syrup. There's some in that container right there.
Oh, thanks.
Is your rice done?
Yeah, the rice has been done for a while. I just been...
Now we're gonna try the bacon pancakes. So, my mom says she's not feeling well because she's stressed. And we're not gonna get into why she's stressed. She's just stressed. But, here are my bacon pancakes. Let's try it. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Oh.
As soon as I'm done with this fry. Yeah. As soon as I'm done with this fry.
It's exactly like a bacon McGriddle.
I gotta go directly to the courthouse.
Thumbnail. Okay. So, this is so good. Dad, I made bacon pancakes and they taste exactly like a McDonald's. Well, not exactly, but it's like a McDonald's McGriddle. Okay, so that's the end of this video. So, I hope you enjoyed it. And, Princess Livia doesn't believe in goodbyes, but she does believe in see you later. But while you're at it, subscribe and ring, 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 ring those notification bells. See you later.